Looking to get a door system that has the added security of being connected to my phone, and it has facial recognition and video, so that I can see who's at the door when, and also it looks great. So the Philips brand I know and trust, and so I look to have that on my door, and it also impresses people when they come to visit as well.
Having a smart lock is easy to operate and easy to let people in with when I'm not at home, or I lose my key quite often, so it's very easy not to have the key, and you can use the keypad and the fingerprint and all those kind of things. So it's really beneficial.
Definitely looking to get one of these security systems for our front door, purely on the fact that it's got the latest technology, recording, security, these sorts of features that are crucial to building a new home and having security. On top of all that, if you're not home, you can have the system, check, someone rings the doorbell, you can, wherever you are, you can check your app and communicate with the person at the front door. On top of all that, there's no ongoing costs like some of the other companies. So yeah, you can keep your costs down.